Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Indian-style lobster curry. This guide will walk you through every step, from selecting the freshest ingredients to achieving that perfect balance of spices. We'll cover preparing your lobster, building a robust curry base, and finally, bringing it all together for a truly memorable meal. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this exquisite dish, a true culinary delight. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 fresh lobsters, ideally weighing around 1.5 pounds each, ensuring they are vibrant and active. For the curry base, prepare fresh ginger, garlic, onions, and ripe tomatoes. Crucial spices include turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Once you have everything, humanely dispatch and clean your lobsters, carefully separating the tails and claws for easier cooking. This preparation is key to a successful dish. Now, let's build the heart of our curry, the flavorful base. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions in a tablespoon of oil until they become beautifully golden brown and sweet. Next, add a generous 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in your ground spices, cooking for just 30 seconds to awaken their aromas. Finally, incorporate pureed tomatoes and simmer until the oil separates, signifying a perfectly rich base. With your curry base ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Gently place the prepared lobster pieces into the simmering curry. Cook them for just 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they become opaque and tender without overcooking. For a touch of creaminess and mild sweetness, stir in about a half cup of coconut milk. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro. Serve this exquisite Indian lobster curry hot, perhaps with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.